Good morning and welcome. It's Julie Cube. I'm here on the sunny coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm literally using up leftover paints, hence the chunky bits. They've probably been sitting mixed up for about 2 weeks. They have been covered with a damp cloth to try and stop them from drying out. But look, they did start to get those chunky bits in. Which just pushing out, so no big deal really. Just go with it. Just go with the flow, literally. I suppose it adds some mixed media. So I'm starting off with, this is a really nice grey, I believe, so I definitely will be mixing this colour again to do another art piece, because it really was a nice colour. So I've used up the last of it now, and I have in mind, because the colours that I have left are just gorgeous, vibrant colours. So I will let you watch me layer the colours. I have that gorgeous cool yellow, really nice, bright and vibrant, and this is a magenta. I was going to layer the two corners with different colours, but you'll see that I just layer them in a different layer them differently, but ultimately in the end they are the same colours. But this one is really going to be a vibrant, fiery, what I call a fiery pour. And these, even though these were leftover colours, they were actually a colour match made in heaven with the grey. It really works beautifully. So love these colours together. If you're going to try this, use those fiery colours. They work so well together. And the darker one that I will be adding will be my Berry Delicious. That's to try and, add in a darker colour in there or make the other colours pop. Well, that's the hope to anyway. But certainly was a really nice, relaxing time doing this for me in the art room, even though I didn't know what I was going to get from these leftover colours. But so that's the Berry Delicious that I make, and if you follow me, you will know that it is literally start with a really dark red, add a blob of phthalo blue, and if you want it to go the really dark cherry red, add a little blob of black, and it makes the most gorgeous kind of dark cherry or black cherry look, or Berry Delicious. So let's see what goes on now. I'm just going to go over quickly with the heat wand. It bursts the air bubbles, and then I will get my little mini dryer, which of course I get asked every video is called a Babyliss by Bayliss. I have them in my, if you look in the description below the video in my Amazon account, the Babyliss are there. They're just a different colour now. So it's just not the same as colour as this one, but I'm told from other people, creators, that they've bought one and it is the same. So there you go. And look how these are blowing out. I am super duper happy as this blows out. You'll see it's just so bright and vibrant. Yes, really happy with that. The colours look so lovely against that grey background. Of course, I could have left a little bit more negative space between the two, and I think if I do it on another canvas, which I really want to do this composition, because it's just lovely, it's very nice. I will do the composition leaving some colour, a lot more colour in between. But of course I want to just do some tweaking of this with my skewer and just enjoying the process, as I tell you guys all the time. Remember, your art, your rules, your way, and the only person you've got to please is yourself. So enjoy the process. I'm at the moment getting my skewer, and of course I'm going to add one or two balloon kisses. Yep, super duper happy with that. Love it. My little edits there with me little twirly bits and just those balloon kisses, and finishing it off with my heat wand. Super duper happy. Take care, my lovely people. Watch out for the photos at the end. Particularly happy with this piece. Love it, love it, love it. So hopefully maybe next week or so I'll be doing the same composition with some different colours. And if you're looking at these end pictures now, this is a wall app that you can put your photos of your art on, and it's called Wall Picture App. So it just gives you an opportunity to put your photos, in a selected wall. I know people some say, oh, it's much bigger than the original piece. That's fine, because you can get prints in any size or any piece of your photo. You can get enlargements. So happy days, happy days.